Alright, hey guys, these are 5 settings in DaVinci Resolve that you need to learn or change when you're migrating from Premiere Pro. So I've been using Premiere Pro for around 5 years now, but I'm slowly moving to DaVinci Resolve, and these are the 5 settings that have helped me in my move from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve. So first up, before starting any project or importing any files, you have to set your timeline resolution and your playback frame rate to the resolution and frame rate of the recording that you have. So for me, I scroll all the way up and change this to 2560 by 1440. And then I change this timeline frame rate, not playback frame rate, to 60. I actually said playback frame rate just now, but it's actually timeline frame rate. Then just click save. Now you can just import your clips. Boom. So initially your DaVinci Resolve will have 2 panels. You can just click this one to just preview what you're editing. You can click this inspector to open up the X and Y position and the audio and effects and transitions and all that. And then go to edit to use all of these effects, filters and plugins. As you can see, I'm able to scroll the timeline here, but you will not actually be able to do this after installing a fresh install of DaVinci Resolve. You'll only be able to do this and not scroll. So in order to be able to scroll the timeline, go to DaVinci Resolve, Preferences, go to User, and then untick 2D timeline scrolling. I have it unticked already, that's why I can scroll the timeline. In order to find unlinked media, go to this button and then locate that folder where you have shifted your clips to. Some useful shortcuts for those that are transitioning from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve. Go to DaVinci Resolve, keyboard customization. Go to blade edit mode and change it to C. Go to normal edit mode and change it to V. You can search the names normal edit mode and blade edit mode here. This basically allows you to press C to cut, and then press V to go back to the normal cursor. In order to clear this in and out thing, just go to mark and then clear in and out. In order to add transitions to everything, select everything and then Ctrl T. This will ask you whether you want to trim clips or skip clips. This is because some clips have insufficient frames or handles to apply the transitions. I just click skip clips because I don't want to be trimming anything unnecessary or anything unintentional. In order to save files, just go to File and Export Project. This will save a .drp file. Also, the good thing about DaVinci Resolve is that it supports AV1, which Premiere Pro does not support. So if you are recording in AV1, you have to use DaVinci Resolve. And even if your computer supports AV1, Premiere Pro does not support AV1. So you have to use DaVinci Resolve in this case. Okay, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this quick video, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.